this lady came in complaining of a brake noise. Well, we found that there is no wheel bearing at all left. If I wanted to, I could rip this wheel off. She needs ball joints, upper and lowers, obviously, like any Ford. Brake pads, because that's been metal on metal for some time. There's no rotor going on there. And come on to the back. We see rotor here. You can kind of see it. Kind of see the rotor here. You come to this side. This is the rotor. This is all that's left of the rotor. Come to the other side, because you probably don't believe me. And that's all that's left. Nothing.